Among a large group of patients recovering from shoulder injuries, it is found that 22% visit both a physical therapist and a chiropractor. So the probability that they both visit a physical therapist and a chiropractor is equal to 0.22, whereas 12% visit neither of these. So the probability that they don't visit a physical therapist and don't visit a chiropractor is 0.12. The probability that a patient visits a chiropractor exceeds by 0.14 the probability that the patient visits a physical therapist. So the probability that they visit a chiropractor is equal to 0.14 plus the probability that they visit a physical therapist. Calculate the probability that a randomly chosen member of this group visits a physical therapist. So we're looking for the probability that they visit a physical therapist. So first off, I'm going to be looking at this right here. I know that 0.12 is equal to the probability of P complement intersection C complement. And this is the same thing as the probability of P union C complement, which is 1 minus the probability of P union C. So this gives me that 0.12 is equal to 1 minus the probability of P union C. And if I add the probability of P union C to both sides and subtract 0.12 from both sides, I get that the probability of P union C is equal to 0.88. All right, so I know that 0.88 is equal to the probability of P union C, and I know this is the same thing as the probability of P plus the probability of C minus the probability of P intersection C. All right, so this means that 0.88 is equal to the probability of P, and then probability of C, remember, is 0.14 plus the probability of P. So plus 0.14 plus the probability of P, and then minus, and then here we have this as 0.22, right? The probability of P intersection C. So 0.22, and now we have an equation that we can solve for the probability of him visiting a physical therapist, right? 0.88 is equal to, so probability of P plus probability of P is 2 probability of P, and then 0.14 minus 0.22 is negative 0.08. I'm just going to add 0.08 to both sides to get 0.96 is equal to 2 times the probability of P. I can divide both sides by 2 to get 0.48 is equal to the probability of P. So 0.48D would be my answer.